In this tutorial, we will see how we can make our custom frame in Canva. We will use a custom image and convert it to a frame, and then we will fill those frames with our image. Let's see how to do it. Go to Canva, create a new project. Let's make a presentation and select the size. Choose elements. Let's import any image. This is the Poland country boundary. Then go to apps and search for frame. Select Framespark. Since our element is selected, we can see it here. If you deselect, you need to select one element. Then you can change the edge detection. If you make it higher, it will try to make precise boundary. Now let's click convert to frame. You can see our frame is created. Now let's remove this one, and we can use any image inside this frame. Let's go to elements and search for Poland. This is the flag of Poland. We can bring it and put it here. Let's change the background color of our canvas. Now we can easily see it. If you go to elements, you can also change it to some images. You can adjust the image as you want. Now you have your custom frame in Canva. Thanks for watching.